I am very excited to be showing you guys this Kong Tug dog toy in the color red. I believe they only have it in the color red. It's very vibrant. It's an excellent product. We've got Cameo for my cat over there. We've got these nice ridges here, provides a lot of traction for when you're holding it, for when your dog is holding it. Comes together nicely in the middle here, and this is made of natural rubber, which makes it very durable, very long lasting, very heavy duty. We use this thing a lot outdoors with playing it with my dog, and he absolutely loves this thing, always wants to win tug of war, trust me. And we've had this for almost a full year now, and as you can see, it's held up very well. It's not used regularly, however. I wouldn't recommend giving it to your dog to chew. This is more of a toy for occasional playtime when you're able to monitor and play with them. For that purpose, it's excellent. Got a nice shape to it. Very large, heavy-duty dog toy that is sure to last for a long time. Lots of playtime with your dog. They are going to love it.